Hello, hello. Good morning. Once again, this is Boy Protas, breakfast time. My coach, more cook pods, better than more fresh pods. And also, it's better to eat more hot pod than more cold pods. That's my coach and observation. But ignore my pod. It's up to you what is your pod. And also, any problems that comes in life, there is a solution. Don't put in heart and mind the problem because it will destroy our good plan in life or our everyday life and future. Always say there is a solution the problem. You can find a solution. You can solve the problem. That's my thoughts and observation. Okay, let's it. Press. Only this, the press. And I have tea. But ignore my drinks and food. Hmm, matamis. Kasi orange. Hmm. Hindi siya maasim na maasim, kundi matamis. Malasan mo yung tamis niya. Hmm. Makatas pa. Hmm. Bread. Hmm. Wow. Ang sarap ng init niya. Sarap talaga humigop ng mainit. Wow. Good morning, Lods. Kain tayo. Shoutout kay Kwan, Ma'am Ann Sarso Sanonis Bautista from Angono, Rizal. Yan, good morning. Kain tayo. Wow, sarap ng init niya talaga. Ah, ah. Tamiya, ang tawag nila nito, tamiya. Yung iba, palapal. Ito. Yung, hindi ko alam kung anong seeds yun. Giniling ito, tapos prinito. Mayroon siyang sesame seeds. Palapal. Yung ibang takuan, nagsasabi palapal. Yung iba naman, tamiya. Kaya tayo. Ah. Hmm. Masarap. Hmm. Good morning, Nep. Yan, si Mr. Rolando Pavio from Sitio Pugo, San Pascual, Burgos, Pangasinan, Philippines. Yan, good morning. Kaya tayo, Nep. Shout out dyan sa mga dabarkans natin sa kapamilya. Sarap talaga ng mainit. Wow. Ah, yeah. Solve the problem. Yan. That's my example of problem. Sakto lang yung pagkain ko. Busog, busog lang. Hindi, magkaiba kasi yung busog at saka busog na busog. Magkaiba yon, magkaiba. Yung sa akin, busog lang. Ayan. Basta yan. That's my example. Solve the problem, ha. Siyempre, nagutom ako kanina. Medyo naramdaman ko ng gutom na ako. Problema na yon. Kung pinalampas ko pa yon, talagang sobra na naman yon, hindi maganda. Kaisakto lang na gutom ako, kumain ako, yun. Solve the problem. That's my example. Pero napakababaw na problema yan sa katawan. Yung gutom ka, kumain ka. Ganun lang yon. Basta may coach, more cooked pods, better than more fresh pods. And also, it's better to eat more hot food than more cold foods. That's my thoughts and observation. But ignore my food. It's up to you what is your food. And also, any problems that comes in life, there is a solution. Don't put in heart and mind a problem because it will destroy our good plan in life or our everyday life and future. Always say there is a solution a problem. You can find a solution, you can solve a problem. That's my thoughts and observation. Okay, hanggang dito na lamang. Bye! Nagpasalamat na aking katawan. Yan, naramdaman niya ako busog. Yan. Thank you for watching. Bye!